Hello, we are going to show you how to get Apple TV set up on your computer or on your TV. So first, Stephanie is going to make sure her Apple TV is connected in the back. You may have to find your HDMI cable and plug it in to the device thusly. You're doing great, Steph. Okay, then we're going to turn the TV on if it's not already on. There it goes. You may have to press the home button on your remote control to select the source. So you'll have a couple of different sources, and if your HDMI cable is plugged in, the HDMI 1 source will be available. And so you just select that, and it's going to take you to the Apple TV. And from here, you are able to AirPlay to a specific room. So this is Stephanie's room 3601, and it is labeled 3601. So she turns on her iPad. No matter what application she's in, she should be able to grab the drop-down menu from the upper right-hand corner just by dragging a finger and press the little triangle with a bunch of, I don't know, sun signs on it, signal signs, circles, and choose the right room number from the correct list. And at that point, you're going to be asked to enter a code. And this code is one that you can adjust for anyone to be able to access the code. You can just set it to yourself. It's going to default so that only you are able to enter it. And she hits OK. And now everything that Steph chooses to push from her screen, anything that's audio or visual, like a Zoom, for example, she can stream directly to her to her classroom TV. Okay, so now Steph is in her Google Classroom, and she is going to she wants her screen to be visible to students. So once again, going to that upper right-hand corner menu to bring down the AirPlay menu. This time select Screen Mirroring, which is down there in the lower left, almost to the lower left, and then select the correct room number, in this case 3601. And this will show whatever is on your iPad. You can tilt it landscape mode. If the rotation lock is off, you can tilt it landscape mode and to get a bigger view here. And as Steph navigates the iPad, everything that she's doing will be visible on the classroom screen to the students who are in the room. Another great thing you can do is zoom on your iPad and share your screen that way, and then both your Zoomers and your roomers can see what you're doing, and you only have to navigate one device at a time. So in another video, I'm going to show you how to connect both devices to the same Zoom meeting. But for now, thanks, Steph.